back with a new video for the youth. Then what's the new topic? It's self-motivation. It's very important in everyone's life to keep you going on the same track to achieve something. Then what is self-motivation? Self-motivation is the ability to drive oneself to create actions and complete tasks. Then how to drive yourself into an action and complete the tasks. It is the thing which is your inner feeling, your inner drive, which will let you go on something and achieve whatever you want. Then self motivation is an inner drive to make you create something and achieve the goal whatever you want. Then you can achieve the goal only when you want to achieve, not when someone is forcing you to achieve or someone is asking you to achieve your goal. It is the only thing you can achieve, only thing you can do, only thing you can go through only when you like it. So please set a goal which you can go through, which you have capability. Even though you have no capability, you should create the ability in yourself. That is what self motivation means. You should create ability in yourself and you should make yourself to go through what you want to achieve. While you like something, you should achieve it. Then staying self motivated is very important. Many of us find very difficult to stay motivated all the time. It needs persistence, hard work and discipline. Yes, it might be changing your daily routine or changing your health. You're going to become healthy, or you want to make fitness, or you want to pursue your long term goal, long term dream, whatever it may be. It is very easy, and while you're motivating yourself, but it needs persistence to change your life. It needs hard work, it needs discipline, it needs the way, it needs, it all will depend on the way how you think. So while we are going for something, it is very easy at the starting to face the challenge. However, many of our precious goals doesn't happen very quick. It needs some time. It will take lots of time to get results. When we don't get results as expected quickly, or when things, anything doesn't go right, when everything goes wrong, we'll get frustrated. Perhaps it's very easy to get frustrated and lose our motivation. But while you stay motivated, it is very easy to achieve whatever you want. While you're motivating yourself, you will get over the dips, you'll overcome the dips, your mental toughness will be increased, and your focus will also be increased. Now, I'll give you some tips to stay motivated all the time. Simplify to focus on your energy. Simplify to focus on what you are capable of. Note down your positives, note down your negatives. Try to overcome your negatives by using your positive things. And also surround yourself with positive people. Ask help to yourself and offer it to yourself. It's a great thing while you stay motivated, and it will help you to stay motivated all the time. And break down your large goals into small steps. Achieve one by one. While you achieve something, appreciate yourself. It will help you to stay motivated for a long time. And whatever, do physical exercises, do meditation, take a long breath, and remember what you want to reach, what you want to become, what you want to achieve while you sleep, while you wake up, and keep staying motivated. Please be with persistence, do hard work so that you can achieve anything, whatever you want. Perhaps change doesn't happen overnight, but it worth it. All the best.